All right, everyone. Today is August 3rd, 2021. Looking at the Trade Scalper software, we've had some really good signals today on the Trade Scalper. I want to share them with you. Right now, there's a long at 44.07, and I want to take this trade to show you the power of the Trade Scalper software. We've had a few other long trades. I took a really good long 43.82 earlier in the day for 12 points, and so that was a really good signal, 43.82. For those of you who have the Trade Scalper, you can see the same signals that I have, and that's a good thing because there's no optimization involved. So I want to go long at 44.07, the purpose being the Trade Scalper signal that is indicating let's go long at this price. There's a specific reason why I want to go long, and that's taught to you in the course and with the live training that's included with the Trade Scalper. Now, if you look down at the ATR, the average true range in yellow, that yellow line there, that is indicating what's possible. So we're looking at about a point and a quarter. Those are relatively a good opportunity to take a profit target on the current conditions that exist. For those of you who want 2 or 3 ticks, I think that's fine. You're just taking a little bit of the pie. And for those of you who want more profit, trail a stop. So I have a few trailing stop videos. I also teach trailing stops with the training, so that way you can take a little bit more profit than just 1 point or 3 ticks or 2 points. We want to trail a stop under certain conditions, not all conditions for trailing stops. For those of you who are new to day trading, I also suggest that you start with a simulator, practice before trading live, ask lots of questions. We have live training that is included, so that way you're prepared before jumping into any type of trading, because trading is risky. And those of you who are thinking about jumping into the world of trading, remember, never trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Always talk to your broker, ask lots of questions, and understand that there are risks involved with trading. Now, when I take a look at a trade like this, a few things come to mind. The first, you never want to hold on to a position for hours on end, especially when it comes to this type of trading, which is quick ins and quick outs. You want to make your money as fast as possible. If the market goes against you, don't hold on to a losing trade for far too long. Get out of that trade as soon as the market goes against you. Typically, when it comes to scalping, I tell everyone not more than 15-20 minutes. If you're using a 1-minute chart, a little bit sooner than that, you want to get out. Really, the goal as a trader is you want to see an instant profit target or an instant move into your favor when the market starts moving. You don't want to go against you. So don't hold on to those losing positions. It's always best to get out of them. Hold on to those winning positions if needed, if you want to trail a stop. So at this point, it hit my profit target, entering at 44.07, which is an exact price based on the software, and getting out with about a point and a quarter, point and a half. Now, as you can see here, earlier in the day, we had some other long positions, really good signals to go long. There was a short signal, that's also a winning trade, but the signal that I took today, 43.82, moved up 12 points, and that was a good move. If you have any questions, email us. There's a Contact Us page. There's also a new workshop you can learn, join in. Visit DayTradeToWin.com to join in on that workshop. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.